Staring at that lock screen is exhausting, especially when you know your iPhone is perfectly functional hardware trapped behind a digital wall. You aren't looking at a broken phone. You're looking at a software deadlock that is rendering your device useless. I've worked with countless owners to navigate this using a standardized protocol. It's safe, keeps your phone updatable, and clears the way to reinitialize your firmware. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute professional or legal advice. Users should always follow manufacturer guidelines and official support paths. Be wary of third-party bypass tools, as they are often ineffective, unsafe, or violate terms of service.
With that out of the way, you can look into a reliable tool called Unlocksy if you need a direct way to handle an activation lock. You can use this platform to remove iCloud locks from your iPhone, iPad, or even your Mac from any country. Start by turning your device screen off and back on, then tap the small I icon in the corner. Write down the IMEI or serial number you see there. You will need to create an account on the Unlocksy site and open their specific Unlock app. Choose your device type and enter your serial number to begin. Each request requires 50 coins, but you can get a better deal by hitting the join button below this video. Pick the membership tier that includes access to receive a voucher for 100 coins immediately. This saves you from buying expensive individual credits. Once you submit the request, check the dashboard to track the progress. Your phone will reconnect to the servers and let you finish the setup process. If you'd rather not go through the process yourself, you can optionally send a super thanks of $5 or more. We'll handle the submission on your behalf. Just leave your IMEI in the comments so we can proceed. This is completely optional and only for those who want a bit of extra help.
Let's get one thing clear. Your iPhone is not broken. When you see that activation lock screen, you aren't looking at a hardware failure or a damaged logic board. You are looking at a robust, intentional security feature. Activation Lock is a server-side tether that links your iPhone to your unique Apple ID. This ensures that if the device is ever lost or stolen, it cannot be repurposed by anyone else. It is a critical layer of modern device security. It is vital to understand that a factory restore will not bypass this security. Wiping local storage does not remove the server-side lock. This returns your iPhone to the Hello setup screen, but the lock remains. Once the firmware is installed, the device immediately reaches out to Apple's servers. It recognizes the existing link to your Apple ID and prompts you for those original credentials again. It is a persistent digital tether. The process we are performing today is not a hack. It is a way to ensure your iPhone is running a clean, authenticated firmware installation. We are resetting the software environment to facilitate a fresh authentication handshake. We are ensuring the device's software is in a clean, stable state. If you do not have the original Apple ID and password, this restore will simply bring you back to the same secure wall. To break this deadlock, we must trigger a hardware interrupt. Recovery mode is a low-level command that bypasses the standard boot sequence, forcing the iPhone to ignore the current OS state. It is critical to understand that this does not bypass or remove the activation lock status stored on Apple's servers. While this ensures your device runs a clean, authenticated firmware installation, you will still be required to enter the original Apple ID and password once the restore is complete. The physical sequence to enter this mode varies by model. For an iPhone 8 or any newer model, connect your iPhone to your computer. Quickly press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, then hold the side button. Do not release it when the screen goes black or the Apple logo appears. Wait specifically for the icon showing a cable pointing toward a computer. If you are using an iPhone 7, power the device off, then hold the volume down button while connecting it to your computer. Keep holding until the recovery logo appears. For an iPhone 6s or earlier, power the device off, then hold the home button while connecting it to your computer. Keep holding until the recovery graphic displays. You have now successfully forced the hardware into a communication-ready state. Now that your iPhone is displaying the recovery graphic, it is no longer attempting to boot into its corrupted operating system. It is sitting in a low-level hardware state, effectively waiting for instructions. At this moment, your iPhone has shifted from an unresponsive, locked device into an external peripheral ready to be serviced. Open Finder on your Mac or the Apple Devices app on Windows. A system prompt will appear confirming your computer has successfully established a link with the device. Do not select Update, as it won't resolve activation lock. Remember, this lock is tied to Apple's servers, not just the local firmware on your phone. If you don't see a prompt, check your cable. Use a high-quality data transfer cable, as charging-only cables will fail to establish the necessary communication link. Keep the device plugged in and stable. Any interruption could force the iPhone out of recovery mode, requiring you to start the process over from the beginning. With the computer controlling the firmware gateway, you are ready to proceed. Select the Restore option on your screen to begin the factory reset. This command instructs the computer to reinstall the iOS operating system, ensuring a completely clean slate for the device's internal storage. Click Restore to confirm. Your computer will now download the latest official iOS package directly from Apple's secure servers. Do not disconnect your iPhone during this download. It will remain in its recovery state, patiently waiting for the final installation instructions. Once the download finishes, the computer will begin the reinitialization process, wiping the internal storage and installing a fresh version of iOS. It is vital to understand that while this process resets the local OS, it does not remove the activation lock itself. Because activation lock is a server-side security feature, the device will still require the original Apple ID and password to complete the setup. This restoration is not a bypass tool. It is simply a method to clear the local software loop, preventing you from reaching the login screen. Once the progress bar finishes and the iPhone reboots to the Hello screen, you will be prompted to enter the credentials to regain full access. By executing a hardware-level restore, you've successfully reset the device to a clean factory state, though the lock remains tethered to Apple's servers. Remember, the most critical step is maintaining a stable, data-capable connection throughout the entire restore. Any interruption can force the iPhone to exit recovery mode. Your iPhone is now in a clean factory state, ready to be officially activated once you enter the original Apple ID credentials to regain full access.